Hi guys, so what I did on my clog spray bottle, I put soap or dishwashing soap or hand soap on this area, this one, and also on the top of the sprayer, and then I just press it multiple times. Okay, sometimes it clogs the path of the water or the spray liquid. Sometimes there are tiny particles that uh, blocks the pathway. So once you have it, you can test it out. Just pump it until you'll get all the clog particles out. Okay, and it works like a charm. See, it's already working. Okay, this works for you. Just comment on the section below and like and subscribe this and let me know if it works. Okay.